Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Today is my year-end celebration, a simple celebrations to our office together with my staff. Since today is year-end to our works, of course, we will celebrate simple celebrations. This is our food, pancit, siupaw. Obviously, this is siupaw. And this is veggies, vegetables. This is orange. And this is wine. Sa table, according to the pampaswerte. But I've always believed that everything is a blessings from God, a blessings from the Lord. No swerte, but God's blessings. Happy New Year to everyone, to all my friends in the entire 7 continents. God bless us all. This is Alexi from Davao City.